Alright, back in Fat Cat's garage. We have a 05 Exploder. Has starter issues. And I'm not going to replace it. These two are. Here is a junkyard starter. Yay for everybody involved. And so I got it all jacked up. It's all ready to go. See the starter right there. It's peeking. It's saying hello. And it's usually just 2 bolts that holds on. You have 3 bolts. You got a positive, a negative, and it activates start to send it to start the vehicle. It's called solenoid. Sorry, people. And I was just thinking, well, I wonder if it's loose. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just really fucking loose. So we're gonna tighten it up and try starting it and see what happens, because that could be the problem. But I'm not doing it though. These lovely ladies are doing it. Okay. All right. Well, turns out the ladies didn't have to do it. That top bolt, I think it turned about that many times, 5 times. So it was just really loose. I can't get to the other bolt yet. I'm trying to figure that one out to see if it's loose. I'm pretty sure it is. So let's figure out this other bolt, start it up, see if that was the issue. I wish I would have showed you what it sounded like before. It was just more like ah, because the teeth was barely getting the flywheel, I'm assuming. And when you hit it, sometimes it would jump up and grab it, and sometimes it wouldn't. So you'd have to yeah, pretty much. You know, sound effects, whatever. Can't really help you on that one. So let's try the other. Am I recording? Sweet, bro. Okay. Now we're gonna put this bolt back on. Now we need to tighten that bolt up if it even tightens.
I don't think it.
It might be stripped on. This is a bell house for the transmission, so if it's stripped, we're kind of fucked on this. We need the long gate 13. No, that's just short. We need the long gate.
Is it that little black one you gave me earlier?
Where's that on?
This is on now.
Right. It's on now. Yeah, there you go. If it just keeps spinning, that's gonna be a problem.
Oh no.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, hold on.
Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do it just a little bit.
Go ahead. Okay.
Alright, right, camera. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna put that on. We're gonna put the bolt on. Yeah, I was gonna say. Now this wire though is gonna need to stay the fuck still.
I think it will once we get it.
Well, I don't know. Let me push it. I want to hold up because it doesn't need the drag against this shaft here.
I like your shaft. Okay.
Well, I need to do it too, so.
I was pretty fucking tight there.
Oh, was you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me give it a little man turn here. Alright, I'm good with that.
Hey.
Alright, let's back up. Let's wiggle worm out underneath this. And,
I'm gonna pull your leg? No.
I feel like a...
We're gonna get you one of those. We got one, is it?
Alright, so this has a little corrosion on it. This is a bit dirty. I mean, you can use a brush and a cleaner, but we also have one of these, which is pretty cool. So what you do is you can spray it on there. Okay, now you take this, you see that? You see the bottom of that?
Yeah.
You just put it in and you just turn it.
Okay.
Look how cleaner that is, okay?
Yeah.
Take this and you pull it out and you have this. Now spray the hell out of that. There you go. And you take it and you can just do your little cleaning up. Kind of like making love to it. Yeah, it's corrosion. There you go. Let me put that back. Alright. Put it back, tighten it up. That's what you gotta do. Now we're gonna try starting. Okay. All right, battery's all put back on. Now the car's not put back together, but we're gonna start it and see what it sounds like. Yeah. All right, shut it off. We're gonna restart it again. Yeah. All right, Explorer. When you go to a non-certified, you just want to make sure, don't you? That's fine. When you go to a non-certified mechanic, you never know what you're going to get. Shit does happen, mistakes happen, you know. But if you're cool with the people, you can go back and get them to fix it. So this is the Fat Cat's garage, and we're done. Say goodbye. Hey, did you like that video? Well, try these videos out. Have you seen this video yet? You have? Try that video. Oh, you've already seen that video? I don't know, replay this video. It's awesome. No, for real, watch one of these other videos. Seriously. The videos.